Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to display the image in our Qt widget application. To display the image in our Qt widget application, there is a one more control, is the QLabel control. Okay, so today in this video I will show you how to display the image on our QLabel control. So there is a one QLabel control here. So we will display our image here. So there is a two way. By use of, you can directly choose the resource from that and choose the specific file. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to display the image from the file. Okay, so now click on that icon, choose file. So there is a one file. Okay, so you can see the image is displayed, but actual image is let me show you the image first. So this is the image. Okay, and here you can see this is our image. There is one more property, is the scale content. So when I click on the scale content, the image will automatically stretch and fit in our label control. Okay, so automatically adjust and resize based on our label size. Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, by use of, you can to browse the choose this file and display your image. We will set this image as now let me set up our frame shape as a panel, and now we will display our image in this label. Okay, so now we will set the display our image by use of this property. So let's use one Qpixmap, and here we have to provide our Pixmap path. So in C drive, let me copy this file path and display paste here. So now our image will read and save in our QPixmap control object. Now let's just use our label control, setPixmap, and display our Pixmap control. Now let's build the application and run this application. Wait for the build. So you can see our image is displayed here, but we have to set the one more property, is the scale content, to fit our image. Set scale content as a true. So this function will fit our image in our label control, that is stretch the image on our label control. So you can see this is our label, or in that label we will display our image. Okay, so how we can display our image on label control. So there is a one more interesting thing is, we will display our image as a aspect ratio. So here there is a one scale property, and we will resize or scale our image based on our label size. So keep aspect ratio. Okay, now let's build this application and run and see. So you can see, we have to disable this property first, and now let's run this application again. So you can see the label is resized based on our QLabel control, and image is resized automatically, but and keep the aspect ratio. Okay, so this is how we can display our image on the label control. So there is a one more property, we can display our image in align at center. Now let's run this application, displaying the center position of our QLabel control. So you can see this is our border of our QLabel control, and this is our label size, and this is a image size acquire ending that keep the aspect ratio instead of expanding or stretch the image. There is one more property here, keep aspect ratio by expanding. Now let's run this application and see the effect. So you can see that is just like a image is automatically fit in our label control. Okay, so this is how we can set or display the image in our QLabel control, and how we can fit and adjust its size according the image aspect ratio, and we will display according that image by use of setPixmap function. So please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding how to display the image in our QLabel control, and please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding that, and please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get to notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.